it's Janay, and today I'm coming at you with a new YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 5 easy pole dance spins and tricks for beginners. So I'm a pole dancer and pole instructor, and here on my YouTube channel I talk about all things pole, including giving you tips and tutorials on how to improve your performance and boost your confidence. So if you're new to pole dancing, new to stripping, and you just want to learn some easy and sexy pole dance spins and tricks, then definitely keep on watching. But before we even get into this video, definitely make sure you're subscribed because I don't want you to miss a thing. And make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok at Janay so we can always stay connected there. Now let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, for the pole slide, you're going to take your hands in a cup grip position, put them behind your head on the pole. You're going to take 2 steps forward and then pick up one leg and slide down the pole. Again, hands go behind the head, take those couple steps forward, pick up one leg and slide down. Okay, so for your fairy spin, you want to go ahead and grab the pole up nice and high with your right hand. From here, we're going to take 3 steps, starting with our right leg, which is the inside leg. From here, you're going to take your left hand and grab the pole right across your chest, and then you're going to pick up that left foot, bring it around, and hook that left ankle on the pole, pushing the right leg behind you. So once you've got that spin down, you want to go ahead and try it on the opposite side. Anytime you learn a new trick or a spin, you want to make sure you do that on both sides so you can work on building that strength and coordination equally across your entire body. Moving on to your pole sit, you want to take both hands and grab the pole just slightly above your face. From here, you're going to give yourself a slight hop up, cross your legs, and have a seat, keeping your chest towards the pole. When you're ready, release your legs and come back down. Same with this trick, you want to try it on the opposite side. So switch your hands and switch the leg that comes up and over when you go to have your seat. Alright, this spin is a little bit more technical. You're going to start with your right hand up nice and high, but this time we're only taking 2 steps around the pole. So your left foot's in front, right's in back. You're going to take your left hand, grab the pole across your chest, pick up the right leg behind you, turn around yourself on that right foot, and hook the pole in that left knee and left armpit. So again, right hand's up nice and high, take your 2 steps around the pole, left hand comes across your chest, you're picking up the right leg behind you to turn around yourself and hook the pole in the left knee and left armpit. And of course, make sure to try it on the other side. So this time you're going to grab the pole right out from your shoulder in a straight line. You don't want your hand up high. From there, you're going to pick up your right leg and hook the pole in that right knee. From there, you're going to take your left hand and grab the pole right under the knee. And then when you're ready, you're going to lean forward and spin, crossing your legs in a pretzel position. So again, you're grabbing your pole at that 90-degree angle, picking up the right leg, hooking the pole in that knee, taking your left hand right under, leaning forward and spinning, crossing your legs. And of course, try it on the other side, which this happens to be my bad side, but you know, still got through it. It didn't look too bad. Alright you guys, that's going to wrap it up for this YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if there are any other tips or tutorials that you would like to see from me. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I don't want you to miss a thing. And make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected there. And until next time, I'll see you. Bye.